Namaskar. I am Kanchan Singh, mother of Avyan, a student of UKG Jasmine. In this tough situation when the whole world is suffering from the pandemic COVID-19, I want to thank Principal Sir Mr. Mukesh Thakur and the teachers for the hard work they have put in for online session. A big thank to all of them. It is so difficult to teach the small kids through online. Preparing lessons, making kids learn through fun, it's really a tough job. However, you all are making sure that each kid gets proper attention and the learning is smooth. I also appreciate the fact that the focus is not just on finishing the syllabus but also ensuring that each kid is learning properly. The kids are also enjoying the co-curricular activities which are taking place along with the studies. It is indeed a difficult time for all of us, but the teachers are making sure that learning doesn't stop. So once again, I thank all the teachers and a special thank to Mrs. Bharti ma'am, who is class teacher of my son. She always being available whenever I need her help. I also love the way she conduct the class. I personally feel very satisfied and happy with this online session and my son also enjoying the classes. I think it's a great experience for all of us. I hope this pandemic will over soon and the life will become smooth as well. At last, wishing you all a very happy new year. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Dear all, good morning. I am Neha, Priyam Bansal mother, who is studying in LKG Lotus DAV Ambuja Vidyaniketan Tiny Tots. This was indeed the challenging year, not only for teachers and parents but also for kids due to pandemic. New way of teaching style was difficult for all of us as students were to balance themselves with teaching styles of teachers as well as of mothers. Initially, the virtual concept was looking to be a difficult task, but with the help of teachers, it became easier. Kids really enjoyed the online class. The principals, teachers, and the Parul ma'am put their best effort to educate and teach children with virtual technology, make study interesting and easier. How school management how school management manage this is a really worth thinking. Different innovative activities like fancy dress, dance competition, storytelling and the festival celebration made kids active and improve their speaking skills and confident of facing a camera. I will really like to thank school management, principals, teachers to put their best effort to educate children without going to school. Keep it up, school management. Thank you and have a good day.
Very warm greetings to all. I'm Manju Sharma, mother of Chianchi Sharma, student of LKG Rose. Being a parent is a difficult job in itself, but it has become more difficult during this corona pandemic. But DAV has found out solution for all the worries of the parents by introducing online classes. You guys have found out opportunity in the diversity, where the hard work of the teacher has changed the whole scenario, where we were thinking the whole year has been spoiled, but due to your hard work, it has not been. Providing online classes has is a difficult task in itself. Like you have to face so many hindrances in your ways, like arranging for the study material in advance, arranging for the object for the practical activities, finding out a suitable place where you will get actual network. So you are highly appreciable for your job you have done. It has been a new experience for the parents as well, where earlier we were not aware what is actually happening in the school. Now we are actually monitoring what is going on the class, how the teacher is dealing with the kids, all that. And the activities going on in the school has boosted up in the confidence level of the students during this online classes session, like painting, storytelling activities, reciting rhymes, fancy dress competition, or dance activities, etc. etc. So I feel really grateful to the whole Davy team who has put so much effort, and I am really grateful to the Neha ma'am who has made so much effort to make each and every session so interesting and easier to comprehend the little ones, who are now eagerly wait for the whole session, how they are going to do. They eagerly wait for their turn. That is just because of the efforts Mrs. Neha ma'am has put. So I'm really thankful to you, ma'am, and the whole DAV team. Thank you so much.
We parents may be accountants, doctors, scientists, or engineers, but nothing contributes to the nation's development more than the sacrifices made by teachers. Hello everyone, my name is Sunil Thakur. My son Arush Thakur is studying in UKG Daisy in DAV Ambuja Vidyaniketan, Dalaghat. On behalf of myself and my son Arush Thakur, I would like to take this opportunity to thank and appreciate the class teacher for creating such a fun and educational environment in this time of COVID-19 pandemic. During this time, the teacher has gone to incredible lengths to help their students keep learning. Nevertheless, as a parents, we did not have the experience of virtual classroom and all for our children as it was happening to us first time. But the way the teacher has managed to keep their students learning was amazing. I thank the school authority for providing all the resources and ideas to help keep their students learning during this time. I thank again for such a fantastic job.